Let's start now. Okay, now the first thing we have to do is now go to the archiving server, and we are going to start the actual archiving, you know. Okay, right click on the task, run now, archiving and shortcut processing. Okay, that's it. It will archive only one mailbox. Yesterday we have enabled only one mailbox. So if you enabled more, so it will archive more, whatever the mailboxes are. If you see, Javed, what you was asking, see from here you can see the schedule. Right now it using the site setting. You can specify manually also. You can specify the parameter when it's needs to be archived.
Site setting, that means there is no schedule. Default. No,
there will be also for the site setting also. So
for site setting it is default, right?
No, there is on the site also there is a schedule window. You can specify from here.
No, I mean to say what does mean
on the
site
it on the top there is a schedule, so it will follow that one.
So now it is never, so
it will not
no schedule.
No schedule.
But it will be running, right?
Sorry?
By default it will be running.
Yeah.
But that is not an error.
Manually it will run. Okay, guys, on your VMs there is ISO also available. You have to install the Outlook add-on on your this one. Just install the Outlook add-on. Copy this one. MSI file on the client.
That is also in the CD, right?
Yeah, it's available in the CD. I cannot access it.
C drive?
It's on the CD actually, basically. There is a CD mounted on the system. Okay, Outlook add-in. Okay, we need to copy this one, whatever.
The 3264 bit is there, or what is it?
Sorry?
3264 bit like that is there, or only one?
Which one?
For that add-in.
No, nothing 3264. It's the one only. Okay, copy this one. Okay, you can.
Then what is the difference? HTTP only?
Now there is only one is available. Previously there was a light version. There is a full version. Now they have removed it. Only one add-on is coming. There is no more.
There is no disk. Server to save with me. Where is the source?
Server.
You just have to connect.
So just install this one and close the Outlook and open it again. See, now the icon is little bit changed for this one.
The last it was just like open and
Remember?
Yeah.
So see, now the email is still there. People will say like, I have some email, but it's not
when
looking.
I'm trying to install it, asking to install HTTP only.
Okay, install that one, no issue.
what is the difference between this Outlook add-in and
It's the same basically. There is a little bit feature difference. Only that's old add-on is working as a DCOM component or something.
So
this
can
is
install anyone, huh?
now there is only HTTP.
What is the task of running the archive? If I want to run the archive?
You have to run the archiving task. Right click on the task, archiving task, run now. Then you have to select archiving and shortcut processing and run OK.
This is one day. Then we start one day, it will.
By default it will run automatically on the schedule, but we are in the lab environment, so we are running it manually.
In reboot mode?
Normal mode.
Normal mode?
Yeah.
No. Archive and shortcut processing.
Okay. See, now I have installed it. Open the Outlook. For it's coming. See, now it came.
Where you install this? On server.
Client.
On the client PC.
Okay. See, the most important thing,
What is
Nishant, see now, this is the icon for the shortcut. Mohammed, here, this is the icon for the shortcut. So once you install the add-on, then only the shortcut icon is visible. Otherwise, it's not available. So see the experience how you have. Double click on that one. The experience to open the archive is same how you are opening the Outlook email. There is no difference. See now, is same.
But it is coming from the what?
Yeah, it's coming from Vault. Clear? Okay. Now let's walk through the Outlook add-on options. The first thing, if you click here, Enterprise Vault, concentrate on this one. Search Vault, Archive Explorer. These are the two options. Okay, if the shortcut is not available, you still access the items. Okay, for example, the Search Vault. If you click here, it will open the search window in Outlook only. You have to wait a little bit because it's a lab environment.
This thing is running on indexing service, right?
Yes. Both Archive Explorer and the Search Vault both are working on index service. If the index service is not working properly, it will not run. It will give you. It won't give you any result and something. What happened? Which one?
It's slow.
Yeah, it's slow. Okay, till it is opening. Note down these are the two the web access for that one, Enterprise Vault. EV server, whatever your server is, server dot example .com/enterprise vault. So if you open this one, if you see here, okay, not HTTPS, HTTP. Okay, see now, this is the web console for the Enterprise Vault. This is the address, server name /Enterprise Vault. Okay, so 1 minute. This is your Archive Explorer. See now, this is only the archives only, not the original item, only archive. So you got your answer. You are saying that if the shortcut is not available, they can still access from the Archive Explorer.
Okay, what does this icon mean? It is not the same.
This is the pending. This is pending shortcut.
So
Sorry?
what to do now?
So you have selected after backup, right?
I'm not sure.
You have selected Vault Store after backup, so that's why it goes in the pending state. You have to run the Enterprise Vault backup, then it will be removed.
And I cannot change?
You have to cancel it, okay, and then you have to change on the Vault setting, then restart the storage service. See, after backup, this is the pending state.
I can't change it.
Now, but the pending will be stuck over there in the as a pending.
So, okay, now I'll select
Cancel the operation.
immediately. I have to
Immediately
after archive.
after archive,
After
cancel
archive.
your archive on in the inbox. Select all. Cancel the operation. There is the option. Cancel the option. Okay. Okay, guys. See now for the search.
Where cancel?
Okay. Okay. See now. This is the search.
Some messages are still not archived. Showing the message unread. There is
Unread is not archived.
in between.
Yes.
Why
Unread is not archiving by default. If you want to archive the unread message, you have to select in the policy.
This is a provisioning.
Okay, Mohammed, see now,
Yeah.
this is a search. So if you perform the search, it will give you the result. So you can still access the archive if the shortcut is not available. The two methods are available: search archive or search archive explorer.
Delete the shortcuts also.
We can safely delete,
How to
but
cancel? How to cancel?
only there will be an experience difference. If you see, this is our archive.
As it was that 6K, 4K.
Okay, see, this is our archive. We are opening normally, but remember one thing, this is very common. Like if you want to, for example, if you are typing the email and attaching the any, like for example, Outlook attachment, Outlook item, and select the archive.
It will attach only the shortcut.
Sorry,
It will attach
it
only
will forward the shortcut,
only.
not the original email. So you have to tell the user, they have to open it and forward it. Or the second thing is restore and attach. By default, if you attach the item, it will attach the shortcut, because Outlook has that shortcut only. Outlook don't have the original item. Whenever you are double click on the archive item, it's requesting the original item from the archive and present to you. If you attach from the Outlook forward is as a shortcut.
So if you delete the shortcut from here, the original email will also.
Outlook English, Outlook add-on.
Yeah, Outlook add-on HTTP1 install. Sorry?
If you delete the shortcut from here,
Yeah, it will delete only the shortcut. Original item will be there.
there.
Yes. Okay, got it? Okay, the second thing is how to enable the logging on the client. Press Ctrl Shift and click anywhere on the item. Control Shift and click on Store, Restore, any button of the Enterprise Vault add-on. So you have to put the maximum tracing, click OK.
This is for what, sorry?
For the debugging or enable logging on the Enterprise Vault add-on. If there is some issues like mails are not opening, this is our first step we used to do. Items not opening from the Outlook. The first thing you have to check this one. Server name / Enterprise Vault. This should be your first troubleshooting step. If either the service is available or no.
Okay.
If the service is available and you can still see, click on search, perform the search, open the item, see, it's opening.
Yes.
This means that Enterprise Vault service is running. There is no retrieval is going on. So what's the next step? If the Outlook item is not opening from the Outlook, you have to troubleshoot from the Outlook point of view first. Instead of going on the server, doing R&D and something whatever. But first you have to do is itself on client side. Okay, from the Outlook. Maybe that Outlook add-on is not, I saw a couple of times Outlook add-on is not visible here. Maybe that is not loaded. From where you can check this one, file, option, okay, add-ins, see, in Go, most of the time this is not visible. This will be like this.
Grayed out or it will not?
No,
check?
unchecked.
Okay.
Just checked it, it will come. Most of the time I saw this one. User are saying like it's not available or something, and Outlook add-on is not loaded. To make it load, so you have to go there, add-on, and tick mark this one. So once this is visible, this means that Outlook add-on is there. Then the next step, you have to like either you have to check the Archive Explorer is working or no. Item is opening from the Archive Explorer. Item is opening from the search. Like if you see here, search Vault, find now. See, I can open the item from here. So this could be shortcut is not opening. So don't jump like here and there first, step by step. First you have to make sure like Enterprise Vault web app is accessible. How to access that one? Server name / Enterprise Vault. Okay, then open the Outlook, come here on the add-on, search Vault, do the search. Search is okay, and most important thing for the troubleshooting, if the search is not happening, before doing anything, if you have access on the server, restart the index service. The 99% it will be resolved.
Index service only.
Index service. And the
Just by
second,
restarting it. So it's not actually stopped.
not
It is
stop,
running.
sometimes it's hanged or something.
So what would be the root cause of actually hanging?
No, there is no root cause. There are couple of elements involved. Like possibly there was no resources available. There's some interruption on the IS because this one search service is heavily dependent, fully dependent on IS. You have an issue on the IS, something. That app is not responding or something.
Okay.
Could be anything. But at least doing this one, you will restore the service very quickly. Okay, and the second most important thing, I always check EV. For example, if the EV in the backup mode, it's always in the read-only mode. How to check this thing? Go to the server. Okay, click on the Vault Store, for example. Where is your Vault Store? This is your Vault Store. See here, backup mode. If it is in backup mode, for example, now I'll show you what will happen. For example, I'll put it in backup mode. Go to the client. I'm going to archive this item.
His favorite name.
Yeah.
Every time he's going.
Okay. Store.
And time to vote there. Time to vote.
Okay. See what will happen. Nothing. Sometime it will change the icon to that clock, then revert back.
But the same what was
Same you
pending
showed
one.
me. So it will revert back because EV is read-only mode. You can still access the archive; those are accessible, but archiving is not going on. So if you have any issue, like for example, user is saying like archiving is not happening from the last 2 days, 3 days, the first thing you have to check is the backup mode. Backup, if the Vault Store is or the index is on the backup mode, nothing will happen. Archiving will not work because EV is in the read-only mode. So you have to come here, check from the backup admin, is the backup is running or no. If the backup is running, you can inform like backup is going on, you have to wait till it finished. Otherwise, clear the backup mode.
No, while backup is running, can we clear the backup job?
No, and not at that time. You have to wait till the backup
It
finish.
will coming automatically every time.
Sometime maybe the backup job didn't clear the backup mode. It's coming by default if you are backing up Enterprise Vault from backup exec or net backup. So it has the ability to set the EV in the backup mode and clear it after backup finish. If you are dealing with some other third-party backup application, TSM or whatever it is, so what they are doing is then we have to run the script to set EV in the backup mode and clear the backup mode once the backup finish. Okay, this is the only way. By default, if the backup product is from Symantec, they have the Outlook EV agent. NetBackup has the EV agent. backup exit has EV agent, it will do automatically put in the backup mode and clear the backup mode. For the index, you want to check it, is it in the backup mode or no? You have to come to the index location. This is the backup status.
So normally it should not be in the backup mode. Normally it's
Normal operation is normal. If the backup is going on, it will be at that time only. It will be in the
What
backup
is
mode.
read-only mode? So 3 modes are there.
Read only is the backup mode.
Read-only is the backup.
Yes. Okay.
But when you look into the web interface, it doesn't ask for username or password.
It's integrated with the Windows.
Yes, integrated with notification.
Yes.
So it will authenticate with any account like that.
No, with the logged in user account.
Logged in user account.
Okay, but
You
what can I do in the search? Like,
See, I'm just trying to.
You can
install
do
it.
the search based on the subject and those things.
you
Whatever.
cannot view all the items.
If you want to view all the items, then you have to type http://ev server enterprise vault/archive explorer.
You have installed HTTP only, right? The plugin HTTP only.
Archive explorer.ui.asp. This is the web address.
Oh, that is the one.
Direct web address, you will say.
Okay, if you want to see that Outlook one, EV, okay, that's the second address is search O2K
Can you choose
ASP.
this plugin?
This is your Outlook search page.
Yeah, this is the same what is you are getting.
You are getting in the Outlook.
the Outlook.
So this is the address search
This is
O2K.asp.
the Archive Explorer.
This is what you are getting.
Yeah. Archive
Okay,
Explorer.
from here.
Search and
From here also the advanced find also available. Okay,
The same page.
same page.
But only just
Just
only
as
that
a
route. Yeah.
Okay, and the second most important thing, EV archives. We are not setting any permission manually. It's taking from the exchange. For example, I have you have full access on my mailbox. So you have access on my archive also. We cannot stop it.
Okay.
So remember thing, in the case of troubleshooting, always check the exchange permission, not the archive. EV is taking permission from the exchange. We are not setting it. If you go to the EV server, for example, go to the archive, EV mailbox, open this one, see the permission. This is being granted, automatically set. I have not set it.
by
If
default.
any user is there, any other user who have the full permission on the mailbox of P Khan, it will be automatically granted permission. Like the permission will be get it from the exchange. We are not setting any permission. This is the very common issue. People will ask like and the second more important thing. In the Outlook, if you see on the search vault any additional mailbox icon, for example, if you have a permission on 2 archive, you can see it will be visible from here. One is your name, one will be the second mailbox.
So there will be 2 different find.
Find, yes.
How we can set that? How we can set?
Then if you have 2 mailbox access, then only. Got it?
Now is there
So-
any option to push these all add-on means then? Or
ESCOM
plugin
or
from the-
something, not from the EV. You have to push from the group policy, whatever, ESCOM, SCCM or whatever. Not from the EV. EV is not the system administration product. It's only archiving.
So what you guys basically used to do is like
We never do it.
It is customer task.
Customer task. Either they can install it manually. We have to show it only on the 2 PCs. whatever, 2-3 pieces.
Save list of atoms every day.
But educating the user for this one is a big thing.
No, but if you are in troubleshooting, then we have to do everything.
Educating the user, the end user. You are a system admin and your users, you have to educate them how to use the add-ons and how to access them.
There is a manual, you can forward it to the user, like how to open and something. Because there is no, if you see my laptop is shutting down or what? Got
No, it's saying
disconnected.
it's time to go home.
Yeah.
You told 10 minutes automatically.
Okay.
Yeah, automatically.
It took care.
So